After the flashing, one more last step is there, which is debugging. So debugging comes into the picture. Suppose your program is not working as it is intended. Suppose if I written the program of blink is not happening, then in that case, I need to do the debugging of the code where issue is happening. At what stage it is causing the issue. We have a debugger which is GDB, GNU debugger, which is open source, but standalone GDB is a command based debugger. So you have to write a lots of command to debug the code. That is a tedious process. So instead of using the GDB into the command interface, we can use the GDB into the VS Code and integrate it into the Visual Studio Code. We can do the debugging in the GUI. This is how the debugger integration with the VS Code looks like. So here you have your code area. Here you have your project and different project files. What we have to do is we just have to come here and we just have to click the debug. What it will do is it will start debugging. So it has started debugging. You can see that it has come to the int main, and from here step over we can do. Suppose if I want to understand what is happening inside this function, okay, so I can do the step in. So if I will do the step in, it will come inside this function, and then again I can do the step in. We can check different things. Here we have our local variables, global variables, many things are there. Our registers, CPU registers are there. So all these things you can check. Then again you can do the step. Again you can do the step. Now this is a toggle pin. I will just do the step over. So toggle pin has just toggled the state of the LED. Okay, and since it is a while one, it will run continuously. Now I have some delay, and after this delay again I come to the toggle pin. So now currently LED is off and my toggle pin function will turn the LED on. Okay, you see, so that's how we can do the step-by-step debugging. If you want a separate video how to set up this environment, you can just put it in the comment.